To begin with, we import Renderer2 from Angular's core package. Renderer2 is a service provided by Angular that allows you to manipulate elements in a platform-agnostic way, which means it can work across different browsers and platforms. Here we have the MyComponent class, where we inject the Renderer2 service through the constructor. Marking it as private restricts the access of the renderer variable to this class only, following the encapsulation principle. We've defined a function called setAttribute, which takes three parameters: an HTML element, an attribute name, and the desired attribute value. Using the renderer's setAttribute method, we can easily set the specified attribute on the provided element. Similarly, we have the getAttribute function that retrieves the value of a given attribute from the specified element. This function simply returns the attribute's value by calling the renderer's getAttribute method. Lastly, we define the removeAttribute function. This function uses the renderer's removeAttribute method to remove the specified attribute from the element. Removing an attribute can be useful, for example, when you want to toggle features of an element like disabled states or visibility.